the 2022 range of the Karmann Mobil Dexter DX560AW, AW meaning all wheel. It's 65,000 euros. It's on a 6 meter long Ford and it has sleeping for two. Front, quite standard. You got a table which can be divided up into three potential sizes, or you can take it out altogether. We have here a kitchen with two burners and a sink. Under that there is storage and there's a fridge. Shower in here with toilet, quite a large one for a vehicle which is 205 centimeters across. Bed at the back in a widthwise formation, and all around it is storage. And one part of the storage is the tiny wardrobe, and which of course can be made bigger because you can take this thing here out should you want, and then you'd have your clothes falling onto the bed. Now the all-wheel drive, I can't give you too many specifications for it, but I have seen the way it goes up hills and it was quite impressive. Now there are two types of a four-wheel drive in this series. There's another one with lengthwise beds, but for that you lose space up front. As with most campervans of this type, you can remove the bedding in the middle, put it to one side, and then you'd have all this space down below. This shelf will of course also come out. Over here we've got the gas compartment. So electricity, exhaust for the boiler, the cassette, and that's where you fill up with water. So 65,000 euros, and from Karmann Mobil. Thanks very much for watching. This is a 3-minute video and I've done it under 3 minutes, and if you find that of interest then you may want to subscribe, and if you want to know more you can click on the link which I may or may not have provided, and you will find a much longer account of what this vehicle can offer. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from Düsseldorf.